located along a line extending from near Aspen Springs to near Bakerville, or along a line extending from 30 miles west of Denver to 82 miles east of Glenwood Springs, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, extremely poor visibility snow. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect hazardous road conditions. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 215 and 232. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Empire, Silver Plume, Bakerville, Burford Pass, Burford Falls, and Loveland Pass. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. There is no safe place on a highway when a snow squall hits. Visibility and traction are immediately lost in whiteout conditions, making it difficult or impossible to slow down and avoid stopped vehicles. Delay travel or safely exit the highway before the snow squall arrives. Wet roadways will quickly freeze. Black ice will cause roads, bridges, and overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for sudden loss of traction. This is a winter...
I don't know why KC-76 is being squeaky. This is about 3 snow squall warnings today. Anyways, have a good rest of your day, guys.